Welcome to our beginner English class. Let's learn together.
Everyone, please have breakfast with our family.
Yay!
This turned out perfectly, didn't it?
It really did. Best spaghetti I've had in ages.
Can I have more salad, please?
The food Mom cooked is amazing. I'll eat it all. What did Mom put in here?
They are just nutrients.
I'm full now. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom, for the meal.
Go slowly, child.
I'm so glad we could have this meal together.
Me too. This is perfect.
Wow, this movie is amazing! I want to watch a concert. No. Yes. Oh, no! Yay! It's my turn. No! My turn. I am sad.
Is today Sunday? Let's use Dad's phone to play.
Thank you, Dad.
What is happening?
They want TV.
Too much TV is bad. Phones are not good.
Why, Mom?
If you watch too much, it will harm your eyes. It will make you lazy.
Put your phones down, let's go outside and play.
Yes, Dad.
Fresh air is good.
Let's go for a walk as a family. The weather is so nice today.
The city is so bustling today. Why don't we go by car?
Walking will improve your health.
Hold your parents' hands.
Which way should we go? Huh.
Let's go! Keep up, kids!
Look both ways.
We're almost there!
Let's take a walk in the park together, family. Let's hold hands.
The park is big.
Let's feed them. Oh, wow.
Sweetheart, talk to us. What's making you so sad?
We're right here with you. It's gonna be all right.
Where are they flying to, Dad?
Treat them gently.
I will play with them.
Well, let's laugh.
This elephant is too big.
Yes, it can carry a lot of things.
The monkey is funny.
Please smile, my child.
Yeah!
Let's rest here.
I'm gonna eat this chocolate.
Let's protect the environment.
Why, Mom?
For a greener, cleaner, and more beautiful environment.
I will spread the word to my friends.
Well done, kids.
What a beautiful sunset.
It really is. Are you two ready for dinner?
Almost home, everyone. I had so much fun today.
It was a perfect day, sweetheart. Oh.
What are we having for dinner tonight, Mom? Is fried chicken okay, Mom?
So we'll eat chicken. Oh.
You two are doing a wonderful job helping out. Look how clean this carrot is.